Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing a bike check on my Diamondback. It's Diamondback DB78. I think it's like 09 or 08. I don't really know. Crap. 41 thermal bars. I think they're odyssey. I don't really know. These nice soft grips, yeah, they're like really soft, but they wear off like really fast. Shadow C-clamp. I don't know what that is, but it's comfy. So, that is a freecoaster KHE. I don't know what kind. I mean, I don't know which one it is. Alright, so, just a DK, stem, Odyssey stem bolt, which looks really nice. You can just see right through it. Odyssey pedals, what kind of tire? It has a Odyssey chrome rim. Wait, did I say? Well, it's a sweetskinz tire. That's why it looks all crazy like that. 41 Odyssey 41 thermal, I guess, or it's just 41, I guess. I don't know. Animal headset. What else is there? It has some brakes. It has a short brake cable because it was I don't even know. Well, a bike lock. Primo. Lever, I guess. Animal, I don't know. I'm a beginner, so this bike is like, it's easy to hold, but the back is heavy, I guess, because of the freecoaster and stuff. Well, here, I can hold it easily, but it's kind of heavy. It's not as heavy as any mongoose bike, so what else is there? Okay. Yeah, that's it. So I might get some writing in this video. If not, I'll just cut this off. Alright, so peace.